Okay, so this was the question I was asked to talk about is identify the vertical asymptotes of this particular function. As you can see, I've started to factor it. So in the numerator, we can take out a t, which will leave us t times t minus 2. The denominator is an example of difference of two squares, so t squared minus 4, t squared plus 4. Now, the nice about t squared minus 4 is that's actually factorable again using difference of two squares. But the t squared plus 4 we can't do anything with. So I'm going to keep factoring it. And what do I notice? Hopefully you notice that the t minus 2's divide out. Now that's a removable discontinuity. So we don't worry about t minus 2 as a vertical asymptote. That's not an option anymore. And we look at what's left. So in the denominator here we have t plus 2 and t squared plus 4. So we're going to set, technically we should set each one equal to 0 and solve, but the t squared plus 4, if you think about it, you bring the 4 over, get a negative, and then if I take the square root of a negative, I get imaginary. So t squared plus 4 is not going to give me anything as far as vertical asymptote goes, but t plus 2 will. So if I set that equal to 0 and solve, I get that there is a vertical asymptote at negative 2.